Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
Hello guys, my name is Darylyn. Welcome to my channel. If you have not yet subscribed, please do subscribe, like my channel, share it with your friends if you will do. So today we're gonna cut into the chase and we're gonna learn how to make some passive income. One of the tips that I was able to find and how I can increase my passive income daily, monthly, an extra $50 to $100. So what we call today is Swagbucks. All right, swagbucks.com. So this is basically the main page right here. There's a little video intro right here, as you can find. You can look it up by clicking on the link right below on swagbucks.com. So you can join for free, and as you join for free, you can actually get a $5 bonus, right? You enter. It's more like a website where you can enter some. How can I say that? You complete some tasks such as surveys. You can do games and whatsoever. So we're just gonna go into the dashboard, the main page when you sign in and sign up. So it's very simple to sign up. You can sign up here or sign up with your Facebook, and you can click here if you want, basically to get some offers whatsoever. All right, but that's basically your decision. All right, so this is basically the main page of Swagbucks. So these are basically, it shows you what you can do, basically to increase your income. And what happens here, you basically get, you don't get, how can I say that? By doing the task, you don't get your money in dollar amounts. You're able to earn some Swagbucks. And when you get Swagbucks, it gets turned around into money. So for example, you can get your first, let's say 1,000 Swagbucks. Once you get your 1,000 Swagbucks by doing tasks and whatsoever, you'll basically get $10. All right, so that'll be your payment. So look on the left side right here, we'll show you the different tasks that you can do. So you can shop. When you shop, you definitely can get much more Swagbucks. All right, so if we click right below, you do 2% cash back. Well, by buying Amazon, you can earn 2 Swagbucks, 3 Swagbucks whatsoever. It all depends on the task. Some of them can have very low payouts with the Swagbucks, but it all depends on what you're doing. So basically, these are all the stores that you can just buy, and you're just gonna earn some money as you buy, right? But it depends. If you, like, let's say you want to buy something on Amazon, just go right on Swagbucks and say, hey, I'm gonna buy it through Swagbucks, right, through that link, and you'll get some Swagbucks back, right? So it's like a, how can I say that, a discount, right, instead of just buying right directly from Amazon. All right, so this is basically for those who wants to shop. What I like also, you can watch videos, which is really awesome. um, so basically you have videos here where you can earn Swagbucks, and you see here there's like 22 videos that you can see for 21 minutes. So each video is basically 1 minute. So if you want, we'll click right there quickly, just show you. You can earn 4 Swagbucks by looking. And I mean, you can also run that playlist, right, and you'll just earn passively some Swagbucks, which is pretty awesome. All right, so this is just a video quickly. I'm not gonna let it run too long, but it's about a minute each video. All right, so I'll just show you below if you want, right here. So we have Dwayne Johnson, 1 minute and 8 seconds. All right, let's take this ad out. Kanye West, all right, J. Cole. It's all about a minute or so. All right, so this is just a normal video right here. All right, so basically that's pretty much it. It's just a video. So just by looking at videos, you can basically make some passive income. All right, so it was a pretty clean video. You can look it up by signing up. It's a very cute video. How can I say, passionate, very motivating video about the Rock, Dwayne Johnson's career. And so of course there's also surveys where you can answer, and I've completed some surveys. You can earn 80 Swagbucks. All right, for you get 80 Swagbucks in 20 minutes. You do a survey, so you just add them up, right? So every day you're just gonna find more available, more how can I say that, more surveys available. There's different surveys. These are the gold surveys. There's also the peanut lab survey. So if you click peanut survey, it's different surveys, different rewards. So let's just let that load in. So you see all this right here. Easily can earn some income right here. So these are different rewards that you get. So if you have time to do it, I mean, it's very great to get some income, right? Very great. And especially using the videos, when you let them run, you can really get some passive income, right? And if you're really interested by watching those videos, I mean, why not look at them, right? It can make your day. All right, so yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the service right here. And of course, there's also you can also discover, which also is discovering different apps. Okay, discovering different apps right here. So look here, Scotiabank. You get a credit card, you get 10,000. How can I say that? Swagbucks. So that's probably 10,000. It's around $100. All right, so you can earn $100 right there. These are, I believe, these are games. So if you play this game right here, you can earn, let's say, 24 Swagbucks. All right, you play this game. There's also another game which I saw, and they told you to get you at a certain level during the game, and you were gonna earn quite amount of Swagbucks. All right, so quite amount of Swagbucks is quite amount of money. And I'll just show you right here if it's still there. So you can play games, which is really awesome for those who are gamers. Easily earn some Swagbucks. All right. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the games right here. Yeah. So that's pretty much it. All right, guys. So that's really how you can earn some passive income, great income when you have nothing pretty much to do. You just earn some surveys, and in a month or so, I mean, it's money in the bank, right? It's money in your pockets just by doing those little tasks. And I really encourage you to do so. You can also refer some friends into this, and you can earn some Swagbucks, and you guys can share together. So there's a lot of things you can do with Swagbucks. I think it's a really great, easy interface, very simple to use. And you see here, this is how much money they've been able to put back in people's wallet for those who are members. All right. So with that being said, guys, don't shy away. Don't be afraid to join in. Don't wait. Join in right now. The link is right below the subscription, below the video. So just click on the link, and just go and visit, go and search and see if this is for you. For me, it's gonna be something I'm gonna use, on a part-time basis, just to earn more income. It helps, right? When you have $50 and you're like, hey, I have groceries, look, I did this, I did those tasks, and look, I have $50 so I can pay my grocery. It feels really, really great. So I really encourage you guys to sign up, join for free, and see if this is for you. So with that being said, guys, I wish you a beautiful day, and I'll see you on the next video. All right, be great.
Behind closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.